We've got Rajat Bose joining us on the show from Kolkata. Rajat, I'm going to begin by asking you to tell us your two top trading ideas for today for the benefit of our viewers.
George, initially I thought of Inox, but Inox has already moved up so much. The target that I thought was 57, but as of now it is trading at 56, so no point giving that trade. But instead, I would say the buy call would be on, say, LIC Housing Finance with a stop below 259, and the target would be 267 to about 268 on the upside. And the other call is a short call on the Nifty March futures. My feeling is that we are headed for 52.10 for March futures and put a stop above 52.78. Currently price is about 52.55.
Alright, that's a word on the top picks from Rajat Bose. But Rajat, if you were to talk about some of the metals counters which are certainly losing their sheen, the likes of Sterlite, Jindal Steel and Hindalco, in fact, they're some of the biggest losers on the Sensex as we speak.
All of these stocks after yesterday's trading, I would say that they have become pretty weak. If you look at Jindal Steel, although in today's session it is still holding around 545, but if it were to break 540, then it can slide down much further to about 525, 522 kind of range. Regarding the other stocks that you just mentioned, that is Hindalco, it has lost it has fallen below a very critical level of 133, and now if it were to break 127, which is 3 points from the current prices, then you will see it sliding down to about 123. It looks pretty weak after yesterday's trading, and you choose a metal stock and you will find weakness. Actually, the problem is after yesterday's trading, barring a Hero MotoCorp or a Concor or a Coal India, most counters are looking weak. I mean, in some cases there have been clear sell signals, like say in Pharma, Cipla, Lupin, all this. So it's very difficult to actually suggest anything that is showing considerable strength and warrant a buy at current prices.
Rajat, also a quick word on one of the mid-cap stocks, and this is Diwan Housing, which is taking the biggest hit on the BSE mid-cap index. How would you play that stock? It's down 5% today.
Diwan Housing for the last 4 sessions had been showing weakness. In fact, it was showing lower high, lower low for the last 4 trading sessions. So in such a situation, you can expect it to test its 100-day and 200-day moving averages. The exponential moving averages are located somewhere between 231 and 225. So I expect them to come down to about 225, where the 200-day moving average is located. And if that is also taken out on the downside with heavy volume, that means all the gains that it recently made in the month of January would be wiped off.